Isa ka bang empleyadong pagod na sa 8 to 5 na trabaho? Nakakaramdam ka na ba na parang mas mabilis pang tumaas ang presyo ng buwan ng bayarin kesa sa iyong sweldo? Naiipit ka na ba sa trabahong may limitadong potensyal na kita? Isang OFW na uwing-uwi na para makita ang pamilya? Or isa ka sa mga naghahanap ng sideline hustle para matustusan ang pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan ng pamilya? Huwag mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ganyan din ang dati kong naranasan at katanungan. Pero kaibigan, ang kakulangan sa finances ay dapat labanan. Yan ang aking ginawa. Hanggang sa may ginhawa akong napala sa na-discover kong kumpanya, ang Live Good. If you're familiar with Netflix na may monthly subscription, similar dito ang concept ng Live Good. But wait, sa Netflix, nagbayad ka, nag-enjoy manood, pero hindi ka kumita. Sa Live Good, nagbayad ka, naging healthy ka, at kumita ka. Sounds good? Live Good is a subscription-based e-commerce system and dropshipping service in one, launched in 2022 and is currently available in over 200 plus countries. At akalain mong in just 1 year ay more than 1 million affiliates worldwide na ang patuloy na kumikita sa business opportunity na ito. Ang lupit, di ba? Ito yung business na last manpower, di kailangang magbenta, di required bumili ng products, pwedeng gawing online business using cellphone na may internet. Very convenient at bukod sa lahat ay mura lang. Dito, magkakaroon ka ng access to high-quality GMP-approved, clinically tested US-based health products at wholesale prices. So one-time registration fee of $40 at monthly subscription of $9.95, Live Good member ka na. You can enjoy as much as 75% discount on all products. Just stay active by paying your monthly subscription. But if you want to have opportunity to earn and be entitled to the compensation plan, you can be an affiliate of Live Good. With your initial membership fee of $49.95, you get your own 3 replicated websites, log in for business monitoring, plus online shop kung saan built-in na ang mga products ng Live Good. If you refer someone at bumili sa iyong shop, you earn a commission. And remember, dahil dropshipping ang service, wala kang aalalahaning inventory at shipping. Company na ang bahalang mag-door-to-door sa binili ng customer mo na pwedeng manggaling sa over 200 plus countries. At para mas maintindihan ng potential customers mo ang business, you have a landing page to a video presentation of our CEO na pwede mong ipapanood sa kanila. Ang exciting part pa ay may 7 ways to earn. 1. Weekly fast start commissions. Dito, for every direct referral, you get $25. No requirements needed to get this. No quota. 2. Matrix commissions. Ito ang auto-spill over 2x15 matrix kung saan ang company automatically distributes members under your team kahit hindi mo invite. 3. Matching bonuses. Dito, may chance na madouble ang earnings mo dahil pwede kang kumita ng 50% sa matrix income ng direct referral mo. 4. Retail commissions. Pag may nabenta ang direct invite mo, kikita ka rin. 5. Influencer bonuses. For affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a large scale, you will earn additional bonuses on all that volume. 6. Customer acquisition bonus. When any of your personally enrolled members place their first product order, 10% of that order is paid out as a customer acquisition bonus. 7. Diamond Pool bonus. If you reach this level, you get 2% from the company's income. Feeling good ka na ba sa dami? 24/7 accessible into business dahil 100% online at pwedeng gawin ni naman. Employed, unemployed, OFW, single parent, call center agent, o business opportunity seeker ka man. Cellphone o computer plus internet lang ang kailangan. Global pa ang market kaya dollars ang kikitain mo kahit nasa Pilipinas ka nakatira. Just don't forget to keep your monthly membership subscription active para tuloy-tuloy ang earnings. Goods to, di ba? Ready ka na bang simulan ang Live Good success story mo? Tara! Muli nating buhayin ang mga pangarap mo dito sa Live Good. Connecting dreams, one subscription at a time. Building wealth, shaping futures. How to get started? Just get back to the person who shared this video to you, or click the sign up button and become a Live Good affiliate member today.